Welcome to Automotives Reviews, the channel where we take you inside the most extraordinary machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into a creation that redefines luxury travel, a vehicle that isn't just an RV, it's a mansion on wheels, an engineering masterpiece, and one of the most remarkable symbols of automotive luxury in the world. This is the Volkner Mobil Performance Tower Crane RV, and what you're about to see will change the way you think about road travel forever. When most people imagine a motorhome, they think of a practical vehicle, something that gets you from one campsite to another. But Volkner has never been about practicality alone. For decades, the German company has pushed boundaries in design and technology, building some of the most opulent, exclusive RVs in existence. And with the Performance Tower Crane model, they've taken that vision to its absolute peak. This is not just a motorhome, it's a private luxury estate that moves wherever you want to go. The first impression of the Volkner Mobil is sheer presence. At nearly 40 feet in length, this motorhome dominates the road like a land yacht. Its exterior lines are sleek and modern, more reminiscent of a luxury coach than a traditional RV. The designers have taken an uncompromising approach to aesthetics, giving the Performance Tower Crane a commanding profile that blends power, elegance, and aerodynamic precision. Every surface feels sculpted with intention, every angle whispering quiet confidence. This is a vehicle that doesn't just transport you, it announces your arrival. Underneath that commanding body is a chassis engineered with the precision of German automotive craftsmanship. Power comes from a high-performance engine tuned to deliver effortless cruising, even when fully loaded with all the luxury features on board. Long-distance journeys feel less like driving and more like gliding, with a suspension system designed to soak up rough surfaces while ensuring absolute stability. This is where Volkner sets itself apart. The engineering is as refined as the luxury. You don't just get a beautiful home on wheels, you get a driving experience that's as smooth as any high-end touring car. But what truly sets the Volkner Mobil apart isn't just its performance, it's the innovation. One of its most remarkable features is the integrated garage. Yes, you heard that correctly. This motorhome has a hydraulic garage hidden beneath the living space, capable of carrying a sports car such as a Porsche 911, a Ferrari, or even a high-performance Mercedes-AMG. With the touch of a button, the garage slides out, and your supercar is revealed, ready to hit the road. This feature alone makes the Volkner Mobil a symbol of unmatched convenience and exclusivity. Wherever you travel, your favorite performance car travels with you. Step inside, and the world outside simply disappears. The interior of the Performance Tower Crane is more reminiscent of a luxury penthouse than an RV. As the door closes behind you, you're greeted by a space defined by handcrafted materials, ambient lighting, and an atmosphere of refined elegance. Leather upholstery, polished wood veneers, brushed metal accents, every detail is meticulously designed to create an environment that feels both modern and timeless. The living area is designed for comfort at the highest level. Expansive lounge seating provides the perfect place to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the journey. The panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, offering sweeping views of the landscapes you travel through, while advanced climate control ensures that the interior remains perfectly comfortable in any weather. A state-of-the-art entertainment system, complete with high-definition displays and immersive audio, transforms the living space into a private cinema whenever you desire. The kitchen rivals those found in luxury apartments. Equipped with premium appliances, from an induction cooktop to a full-size refrigerator and even a wine cooler, it allows you to prepare meals with ease and sophistication. Every cabinet and drawer is carefully crafted, maximizing storage while maintaining a clean, contemporary design. For those who demand nothing but the best, Volkner even offers bespoke customization, allowing you to choose the finishes, colors, and features that match your personal style. The bathroom is a masterpiece of modern design. Spacious, elegant, and equipped with premium fixtures, it features a rainfall shower, designer sink, and high-quality materials that make even a quick freshening up feel indulgent. Volkner ensures that this space feels like a private spa, offering the kind of comfort and privacy that no standard RV can match. And then there's the bedroom. This is where the Volkner truly shows its commitment to luxury living. The master suite is designed to provide the perfect night's sleep no matter where you are in the world. A king-size bed with a premium mattress, customizable lighting, and elegant furnishings create an atmosphere of tranquility. The bedroom isn't just a place to sleep, it's a sanctuary, a retreat where you can unwind and recharge in total peace. But it doesn't stop there. The Performance Tower Crane RV is packed with technology to make every journey seamless. Smart home integration allows you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment from a tablet or even your smartphone. Advanced safety features ensure that both driver and passengers are always protected, with systems that monitor road conditions and assist with navigation. Connectivity is never an issue, with satellite internet and modern communication systems built into the design. And of course, the craftsmanship is second to none. Volkner builds each unit to order, tailoring the design to the specific desires of the owner. This isn't mass production, this is bespoke luxury on wheels. Every stitch, every panel, every detail is crafted with an attention to quality that rivals the finest luxury yachts and private jets. Owning a Volkner Mobil isn't just about owning a motorhome, it's about owning something unique, something built specifically for you. When you look at the Volkner Mobil Performance Tower Crane RV, it's clear that this vehicle is more than transportation. It's freedom at the highest level. Imagine driving across Europe with your favorite car stored safely beneath your living space. Imagine waking up in the French Alps one morning, and then enjoying dinner on the Amalfi Coast the same evening, all without ever leaving the comfort of your personal luxury residence. That's the lifestyle that Volkner makes possible. Of course, all of this exclusivity and innovation comes with a price tag that matches its status. Depending on customization, the Performance Tower Crane RV can easily cost several $1,000,000. But for those who seek the ultimate expression of freedom, luxury, and individuality, that price isn't just an expense, it's an investment in a lifestyle without compromise. This motorhome is not built for everyone, and it's not meant to be. It's designed for those who demand the very best, who value both engineering excellence and the finest luxury. It's for the kind of person who doesn't just travel to a destination but brings their entire world with them, wherever they go. The Volkner Mobil Performance Tower Crane RV is a rolling statement of success, of ambition, and of the human desire to push boundaries. It's proof that the journey itself can be just as extraordinary as the destination. For some, it may seem excessive, but for others, it represents the perfect blend of passion, freedom, and luxury. And that's what makes it so fascinating. Because in a world where travel often feels rushed, stressful, and inconvenient, the Volkner Mobil offers the exact opposite. It gives you time, it gives you space, it gives you the ability to enjoy every mile, every moment, every detail of the road ahead. And in doing so, it transforms the concept of travel itself. This is more than an RV. This is a vision of what's possible when engineering meets artistry, when innovation meets desire. This is the Volkner Mobil Performance Tower Crane RV, the ultimate home on wheels, and perhaps the most complete expression of automotive luxury ever created. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of the most incredible vehicles in the world. If you enjoyed exploring the Volkner Mobil with us, make sure to subscribe to Automotives Reviews, where we continue to bring you inside the world's most extraordinary machines. Until next time, keep chasing the extraordinary, and remember, the road is just the beginning.